Hey gang, Pick here. Alright, exciting sunset stream tonight. So I just wanted to take you on a quick walk and see what we got accomplished today. We got rid of a whole bunch of junk. Look at it. Oh my god, I'm so happy. I'm so very happy. Oh, so happy I can't even tell you. My house is like, there's like nothing in it. It's awesome. September 9th, I leave for Nashville. It's a Sunday. My appointment is close to Nashville on the 10th, and then my flight's on the 14th. Woo! All right. Tonight's sunset stream topic, and did I hit my mark? Yes, I did. Is what's in the bag, bitch? Right? So, okay, we're gonna go through it. Let me get this set up here. All right. Alright, I'm just gonna grab you. Alright, so this wouldn't fit in the bag. So I may have to pause this. I've got somebody coming to see about buying my sewing machine, so let me pop that open. Okay. Gosh, we need to figure out how to make that screen stay on. Okay. So this won't fit in this, but this isn't the right thing anyway. So this is my placeholder for a power pack. I'd like probably 3 or 4 slots, but 5 would be really great. It's just a 2-prong. I can get a European or whatever a cable to plug in. So it's good, it's small, it's light, it's an anchor. I like the anchor stuff. It's supposed to be QI, but it's I don't know if I just got a bad one, but it's not. It is not a quick charger. So it was like $10 at Walmart. So I knew it was going to be a placeholder anyway, but it was a good size and shape to at least represent what I'm going for. So to get good at something, you practice it, right? You practice it all the time. Okay, so what's in the bag, bitch? Alright. Oh, okay, yeah. I like this little camera. It's like a little SJ Cam 50,000 something. Okay. Let's go through it piece by piece. Alright. These are a placeholder also. They are JBL's. I have no idea what the model number, but they're sport earbud, and so I figured they're going to work for me for a while until I can find the earbuds that I really want. I do want a pair of wired earbuds, and I'm also going to have a pair of wireless. But these were good. You know, they got the magnets on them, and these are okay. These are just fine until I can find a reason to replace them. They're only like $20 at this. They call it a sporting goods store. I don't call it a sporting goods store because they don't sell sporting goods. I don't understand it. Anyway, so a pair of nice rubber, flexible, kind of indestructible kind of earbuds. All right. What else do we have? So this is my Chromecast. Plug into any HDMI at any cheap hotel or whatever, and cast my YouTubes, my Vagabond Buddha, and my 30 and a wake up. Right there's your shout out, buddy. You motivated me to get my little bag out and go ahead and give you guys a peek at what's inside. So the Chromecast, I love it. You can cast anything on your phone. If you do Netflix or anything like that, you can just cast it, and folds up nice, light, just a micro USB power, and that's it, and the HDMI. And generally TVs will have a USB port, so you can just pop USB instead of tying up your brick. So I don't know if these are placeholder or not. I don't actually have. If you made me justify why I have these in my bag, I really can't. Other than I know I'm going to need some, and I like these. I've used these a lot. I use these on my motorcycle. I plugged in I installed headphones in my motorcycle, and so I use these to go from the my phone to my helmet, and that worked really, really well. So I really like these. I know I'm going to need some at some point to connect two things together. And they're just headphone though, so I don't. So maybe that's a placeholder. Maybe that's a placeholder for something better. And if I still can't justify it by the time I leave, this may actually, that may actually not go with me. All right. So just a couple of SIM cards and an SD card adapter. Gonna throw a couple extra SD cards in here. I want to get my camera gear at least in my head straight before I start buying cards. So, but again, they're just $3. So, all right. So let's go to this guy. So this is an OTG cable for micro USB. So what I kind of figure, so this plugs into my camera, and what I figure is I'll throw a USBC dongle in here, and then I can plug this into my camera and power it via USB-C. So being an OTG cable, that'll probably work. We'll see. We'll see. So may run grab. Thing is, I have no truck, guys. You have no idea how miserable this town is with no transportation. It is insane. It is absolute. I can't even. Okay, so here we have the power connector charge cable for my watch. Really great, nifty little connector. I'll do a full review on my watch. I love my watch, and the watch is green now. Haha, change the band. Ooh, it's beautiful. Love it, love it, love it. All right. Yeah, so that plugs into the watch, and it just either way, and it just snaps right in. It's a great solution. This is my current USB-C cable, my primary. I don't love it. So looking for something better. I'd like a rubber one for this. I like the braided ones, but they don't squish down as much as these. So I need something flexible. So rubber. I mean, this is good. It's a good cable. I just like one a little bit longer. This is probably, I don't know. So this is my primary micro cable, and it is rubber, and it's a really, really good cable. I don't know what brand it is. Gosh, finding good USB micro cables is just such a challenge. Hopefully I'll be able to get away from micro cables because I won't be using my S7 anymore, and everything else I can maybe put a C adapter on. So hopefully I'll get by without having any micro cables, because we all know they just absolutely suck. All right. Well, so here's kind of a rarity in my pack, guys. A backup, but it's a backup to my watch. So I actually have 3 of these cables. I might bury another one deep into my pack, but I'll carry 2 of these. So some of this will go in my day bag. So one of these will go in my day bag, and then one will go in my watch. It lasts forever. I mean, it's like, I know when I start doing some GPSing and get it to tracking me on hikes and stuff, that it'll start sucking the battery. I understand that, but I haven't. I mean, I'll charge it every other shower or so, and by the time I get out of the shower, it's charged, and it's just absolutely incredible. Garmin Instinct. I love my watch. I love my watch. This is probably not going with me, but might. It's just a little USB extension, but it's a good size, and it's a good cable, and I think that might actually have to go with me. We'll put that in the middle here. So maybe placeholder, maybe I can find something better, and I will replace everything. You know, everything's replaceable, even my corn cobs. All right, let's see what else we have in here. That's really, I mean, guys, So I went from this huge pile of cables and cords because I had so many cables and cords. It was not a great time getting them down to this. So these are kind of my best and my brightest. I've got a great C cable, my favorite cable, but it's braided stuff, and it's like 6 feet long, and it just, I just can't justify it when I could take something like this and connect it to something like this and have 10 feet. Gee. Yeah, I think it has to stay. I think I'll give that one to my brother. And that's it. Love this little bag. I don't know. My brother had it somewhere, but nice little bag. Little clip. I like that bag. If anybody knows what that bag is or where I can get another one, I'd appreciate a heads up. Let me tell you a quick story. So as you know, I'm moving, right? The house is just almost empty. It's just almost empty. There's just nothing really left. And I just realized my camera's on loop record, so I'm going to have to chop these all up into one. I hope I do it seamless, but if not, I'm sorry, guys. Oh, right, one more thing. So this is my this is my smallest USB key. Can we see that? So it has micro on one end, and then standard USB on the other. So it's nice. I like it. It's if I broke off the USB the micro connector, it would still just be, you know, really tiny and able to pop in my little green bag. So that's kind of what I'm carrying for now. I've got another one that I'll also carry, but it's small metal and waterproof, so it may stay on me. I honestly can't tell you why I'm bringing USB keys, because everything I have is SD card, or I mean, I guess, gosh, contactless. NFC from phone to phone. I can transfer via data cable. So I still haven't decided what I'm going to do about computer. I don't know. I think somebody's here, guys, so I'm going to go ahead and end it now. Listen, fear is like only in your head and shit, right? Just fear is like not really real. Alright. Ciao. Again, hey, 30 and a wake up. Go subscribe to his channel. He's awesome. He does more kind of 30 days in one place and then changes countries, which is like an interesting perspective. I'm really looking forward to see if he can stick with that, which I don't think he's going to. I think he's going to get itchy feet a whole lot quicker than 30 days, and he'll be changing his channel name again. Kevin. All right, buddy. Ciao.